Hello everyone, welcome back to your science class. I hope you all are staying safe at your home. Today we will start our new chapter, Chapter 10, Light and Shadow. And in today's class, we will discuss about what is light, sources of light and the example, types of objects, their features with example, and property of light. So children, let's start with light. Children, in daytime, you are able to see all the things present around you. But during night or when you enter in a dark room, you are not able to see anything present there. But as you switch on a bulb, you are able to see the things present there. It means light is a form of energy which allow us to see the world. At the daytime, there is enough light, that is sunlight. So you are able to see the things very clearly. But during night, sunlight is not present, so you are not able to see the things. So it is clear that for seeing something, light must be there. Children, you might have learned in your previous class that some objects produce light on its own, while some objects do not produce light. So, the objects that give light, like candle, sun and electric bulbs, these objects are called as luminous objects, means those objects which give off light on their own, they are called as luminous objects. Whereas, there are some objects which do not give off light on its own. They are called as non-luminous objects. For example, table, chair, pencil, mug, copy, book. These all do not produce the light. Okay. And children, you know that we are able to see these non-luminous objects due to the presence of these luminous objects like bulb, torch or sun. Okay. Now, next topic is sources of light. So children, any object that produce light are called source of light. Like we get light from sun. So sun is a source of light. So children, a source of light can be a natural or artificial. So the sources of light that occur in nature and are not man-made are called natural source of light. For example, sun, stars, some insects like fireflies. These produce light. These are the natural source of light. Whereas there is another source of light that is artificial. So these sources of light are man-made, means created by humans. So they include candle, lamps, matches, electric bulb, LEDs, etc. So let's do an activity. For doing this activity, you need a clear plastic sheet, a piece of butter paper and a thick cardboard. Now, try to look through each type of paper one by one. So first, when you will take a clear plastic, you will see that you are able to see clearly through the plastic sheet. Now, take butter paper and try to see through butter paper, and you will find that you can see through the butter paper partially, means a little bit, not clearly. And now, take a look from a thick cardboard. You will find that you will not able to see at all through the cardboard. So, you all find here that some objects allow light to pass through them while some do not. So, on the basis of this, to allowing light to pass through them, objects can be classified into three categories. First is opaque object, second is translucent object, and third is transparent objects. So let's start what are transparent objects. Transparent objects allow you to see clearly through them. Means these objects allow light to pass through them completely. Because of this, we are able to see the things as we have seen through the clear plastic. Other example of transparent objects are glass, clear water, and even the transparent plastic sheets. Next type of object is translucent objects. These objects allow some light to pass through them. So we can see partially through translucent object, as you will see through the butter paper. Some other example of translucent objects are ground glass, color plastics, etc. And children, third type of object is opaque object. Opaque object do not allow any light to pass through them. So you can't see through them. As in the activity you tried to see through the cardboard and you were not able to see anything through the cardboard. Other example of opaque objects are chart paper, books, desk, wood. Okay, so in short you can say that transparent objects allow all light to pass through them. So we are able to see clearly through transparent objects. Whereas translucent objects allow only some light to pass through this. So we are able to see the things partially. Whereas an opaque object do not allow any light to pass through them. That is why we are not able to see anything through an opaque object. Let's discuss one of the property of light. That is, light travels in a straight line. So children, light always travel in a straight line. When the path of light gets blocked by an object, it changes its direction and the light can't bend around objects. Let's understand through an activity. Take a candle, fix it on a table and light it. Look at the flame of candle through a tube as showing on the screen. Okay, light reaches the eyes and you will able to see the light of the candle. Now, bend this pipe or a tube from center and look at the flame again. In this case, as the light gets blocked and you will not able to see the light of candle. So children, this shows that light travels in a straight line. So in first case, when pipe was straight, light reached to the eye. But when you bend the pipe, light gets blocked and not reaches to the eyes. So this proves that light always travels in a straight line. So children, this is all for today. Hope you will do the activity discussed here and will try to understand the discussed topic here. Okay, so you all, thank you so much.